Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
All right, everybody, we're on our way. Thank you so much for joining us on board Trolley 717. My name's Ben. I'll be your conductor for this line, and that's Zoe on the front, driving us in comfort, speed, and safety to the main entrance of the park. We will have one curve stop, one way Carthay Circle, your closest stop to everything else in the park. Making that hard left-hand turn onto Hollywood Boulevard, reaching our breakneck speeds of 4 miles an hour, so please hold on tight. We'll be making a pause here at Hollywood Boulevard to allow our sister trolley to park next to us safely, and then we'll head on down to Carthay Circle. Off to the left-hand side, we will be parking in front of the Disney Animation Building. There's several activities to check out inside, such as the Animation Academy, teaching you how to draw Disney characters step by step from Disney artists. Minnie, Mickey, Pluto, Donald, Daisy, they may look a little goofy in the end. There's a learning curve there, my friends. And St. Billy can meet a 150-year-old sea turtle named Crush. Ask her any question you've always wanted to ask the turtle. Within reason, maybe try to avoid the toxic seafood unless you like to let your fish are friends, not food. Got that one memorized. And that's our sister trolley up ahead of us, trolley 623. Now our trolleys have hidden meanings to their numbering. 623 is the 600 series of trolleys, and for 1923, which is the year that Walt Disney first arrived in California with that cardboard suitcase, $40 in his pocket, which equals around $700 or so a day. And that dream we're all currently living. And Trolley 717 we're riding on is a birthday. That's going to be for our sister park across the way, July 17, 1955. And you can share that back with your friends if you'd like. See what I do? Disney. Now we're on our way back down Hollywood Boulevard, friends. Coming up on the right-hand side is the Sunset Showcase Theater, currently presenting Mickey's Park Magic. It's a fantastic little 3D show that goes through several different classic Disney films presented by the one and only maestro, Mickey Mouse. His stagehand Donald Duck does like to butt into the show every now and then. Doesn't take over the entire show. Off to our left-hand side, if you have any little ones with just a little too much excess energy, don't worry, you can wear them down at Disney Junior Dance Party. 15 minutes of dancing for little guys, 15 minutes of rest for you. It's a win-win for everyone. It's poppin' music inside as well. And when you're done dancing, you'll work up an appetite off to our right-hand side, this small silver popcorn stand. Special for 2 reasons. One, it's modeled after the train that brought Walt Disney to California back in 1923. And 2, it's the only popcorn stand left in the resort that still sells hot, fresh caramel popcorn. Fresh caramel popcorn. Wait till you mix it with the buttered stuff, get my favorite snack, the Arnold popcorn. Please don't order it like that. Ask for the half and half. They don't like the others. And we're approaching Carthay Circle Station, my friends. This is your closest stop to every land and attraction in the park, including Cars Land, Pixar Pier, San Francisco, Grizzly Peaks, soaring around the world. We have many fun shows happening tonight here at Carthay Circle. Like Mickey's Happy Holidays Cavalcade, and later tonight we'll have Mariachi Band Miguel from Coke. A lot of fun. That starts at 5 o'clock. As we approach the station, my friends, please remain fully seated until the trolley stops, the doors have opened, and those lights have turned on. We got one more stop to go. Let's start you off with Willie's Churro Cart, your first churro of the day here in Disney. Themed after the one and only Mickey Mouse, his very first cartoon, Steamboat Willie. He got his birthday there in license plate 11, 18, 28. That's November. November 18th, 1928. We're getting there. Follow that up with Fiddler Fight for a Practical Cafe. That's named after the 3 little pigs from the Silly Symphony cartoons. You can confirm that building is made out of bricks reinforced with sticks and insulated with they. Just kidding about that last part, so let's lay it on today. Follow that up with Clarabelle's Hand Scoop Ice Cream Shop, hidden in the corner, where she is serving up some utterly fabulous ice cream for you all today. Won't milk the cow jokes for too much longer, because our favorite shop on the street, Trolley Treats, is just off to our left-hand side to round out that sweet corner. Watch them make all sorts of handmade goods right there in that window all day long. Caramel apples, sugar coffees, Rice Krispie treats, cake pops, you name it, they made it right there. As we look for something sweet and more on the healthy side, we have Borderers Market on your left-hand side again. Fresh fruits like bananas, apples, oranges, those famous Disneyland pickles. More importantly, though, that shop is named after Mickey Mouse. That was his original name. That's what Walt wanted to call it back in the day. However, his wife Lillian had the final say. She was all, Mortimer sounds too stuffy, too serious. Now, Mickey ends with a smile. Of course, that old saying, happy wife, happy life. Please remain seated until the trolley stops. The doors have opened and those lights have turned on. This is your closest stop to Disneyland, downtown Disney, and the transfer. We are on our way, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us on Trolley 717. I'm Ben, I'll be your conductor for this line, and that shadow up in front driving you comfortable, speed, and safety. All the way down to Sunset Boulevard. Go stop Guardians of the Galaxy. Disney line through with it. If you're looking to come all the way back down this direction, going this street, this Trolley will not be making it back to Buena Vista Street. We'll be going out of service and again back down Carday Circle at the 2:30 making our way down recreation of Los Angeles, and a scattering of farm towns and mom pop shops all connected by the Pacific Electric Railway. To our currently running on board a third scale model of Trolley. Making our way into Carday Circle, the heart of the park, bringing with us the sounds of jazz and marching band, talking over jazz music, Christmas music, so please. One more time this afternoon at 3:15. Please remain at the Trolley stops. Doors will open. Those lights have turned on. This is your close stop to every land track in the park. We've got 10 more stops to go. We're on our way to Hollywood by the Friends. Thanks for joining us on board Trolley. Just now joining. I'm Ben, I'm your conductor. And that's Shad, Friends driving for comfort, speed, and safety. The Hollywood. And for us, 5 time off to our left-hand side. Enjoy the top. One more time at 3:15 this afternoon. Then we'll be going away because we'll have a mariachi band playing Miguel Coco starting at 5 o'clock on that same stage. Making our way down Hollywood Boulevard. To our right-hand side for little ones with too much excess energy. Send them on out to Disney Junior Dance Party. 15 minutes of dancing with Mickey and Roach Races, Doc, Stuff, and Zamperina. 15 minutes of rest for everyone else. It's a win-win for us. Dancing, and across the way to award-winning hot dogs and award winners. From all Niagara Classic stands on Kingston, Los Angeles, as well as, believe it or not, back today, Carl's Jr. notes their hot dogs at Ron Royal Burgers. Our hot dog stand just got an award for the best wiener in a supporting role. And we won't relish the hot dog here too much longer. Now we are approaching Hollywood Boulevard Station. Friends, please remain fully seated till the trolley stops. The doors have opened and those lights have turned on. This is your close stop Monsters. The Disney Animation Building, you'll find Animation Academy and Turtle Talk with Crush. One more time, remain seated till the trolley stop, the doors have opened, and those lights have turned on. We don't have to wait for the jazz band just yet, so we'll be on our way. Thank you so much for joining us on board Trolley 717. If you're just now joining, I'm Ben, the production of Shadow, the front driving for comfort, speed, and safety. For our next and final stop, just around the corner, Sunset Boulevard. And as long as there's not a huge long line waiting for us there, you are welcome to go around trip back to Carday Circle. And that will be our final stop for the 2:30 Happy Holidays Cavalcade. Makes our way out this way and tries to play on. So let's make our way down Hollywood Boulevard. Up ahead of us is the Period Theater. It's hosts many amazing shows of the year, such as Live, Raj, the musical. Unfortunately, it is dark at this time, but it's being graced by the one and only himself, Mr. Santa Claus. All those 8 reindeer up in front, maybe wondering what happened to the 91 Unfortunately, we go in season 1949. We are currently time traveling in the early 1930s and 40s in Hollywood. Maybe next year we will. Maybe next year. Please remain seated. The trolley stops, doors have opened, and those lights have turned on. Friends.